Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy and stop unwanted message requests on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, it's now easier than ever to prevent anyone from sending you message requests. Let's walk through the step-by-step process so you can enjoy a clutter-free inbox and peace of mind. Start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. Next, select Settings from the expanded menu. This section allows you to customize your Instagram experience and fine-tune your privacy preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Message and Story Replies. Click on it to access more detailed controls over your messaging. Now, enter the Message Control section. This is where you can decide who is allowed to send you message requests. Under the heading, Who can send you message requests, you'll see several choices. To completely prevent message requests, simply choose No One. Once you select this option, Instagram will automatically save your preference. From now on, you won't receive message requests from anyone, whether they follow you or not. Your inbox will be reserved only for the conversations you truly want. This update is perfect for anyone who values privacy or wants to avoid unnecessary distractions. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that only the people you choose can contact you on Instagram. Enjoy a more streamlined and secure messaging experience, because your peace of mind matters.